how to find and add dropshipping products to Shopify step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find winning dropshipping products and how to add them to your Shopify store step by step. Whether you are just starting out with dropshipping or trying to optimize your product selection, this tutorial will give you clear clarity to take actionable step to build a profitable store in a faster way. So let's get into video. First thing first, what we have to do is let's start by finding product worth selling. There are there are a lot of platform you can use, but in this video, I'm using AliExpress, and then I'm using this CJ dropshipping, and then we have a Zen drop. So these are some which I like personally. So you can use. So AliExpress, you can go to aliexpress.com and browse trending categories or use their find product tool to see what is popular. So you have this category section in the AliExpress. Then we have like products related to home and garden. Then we have um, hair extension and wings. So they have a lot of products. So how you are going to find good products? So in the drop shipping, so you have to find a good product so the buyer can buy easily. So so when you are kind of when it comes to choosing what kind of product you should choose, so you have to keep in mind the goal is to find low risk, high potential product that can generate sales without saturation, give good returns, or customer uh, do not give customer frustration. So first, let's go with the first, which is solve a clear problem. So whenever like people buy solution, not just item. For example, posture corrector, sink drain hair catcher, or pet nail grinder. You can just search these kind of product into AliExpress or CJ dropshipping. Let's say I will just search for posture corrector. So these are the some product which people are buying a lot of time. So as you can see, there are a lot of posture correction, and then product. You have to make sure that product that make customer says I need this instantly. The price is between 800 rupees to around 2,500. It's like 10 to 13. It's sweat spot. So you have to find these kind of product. So then you have to add your unique or hard to find in store. So basically avoid what is easily available in local store or or an Amazon. You have to focus on like wow factor on. So example, foldable laptop stand, water bottle with built-in pill case, you can go with that. So there are a lot of parameters you can use, like good profit margin. You have to have like wholesale cost should be 3 to 5x less than your selling price. So what should you avoid is like clothing shoes. It's like a high return rates due to sizing issue, and it gives a lot of return products. People just give a scam. Then you have electronics, the quality inconsistency and high complaint rates. Then you have the products like highly saturated products like fidgets spinner, blackhead, vacuums, and a lot of things. Then you have seasonal products like unless the time is right, Halloween decor in October and the Christmas presents. So you don't you should not go into that kind of niches. So you have to figure out your product by researching on this AliExpress and CJ dropshipping. For the research, you can use Google Trend as well. For example, go into Google and search for trends. Go to Google Trends, and you can search for, let's say, explore what India is searching for. Just type India and explore. From here you can just change the region as well. Let's say we go in USA. Okay, United State of America. From here you can go to all category to beauty and fitness. Then we have where it searches came from, like image search, news search, Google Shopping. So let's go to Google Shopping. So it will give you the data of what people are like searching. So let's go to 90s data. So it will give you a little clear picture. So what kind of what people are searching for. So people are searching like they have 100. So beauty and fitness, people are searching in these kind of state. You can target. So you can go and go into Google Trends. So you can search keyword, get what kind of things are searching people, and you can select based. You can select the product based on that data. So in the market, you have a lot of options to find get that kind of data what people are searching, so you can use. Now let's say I'm using this, you can go into CJ dropshipping as well. Then in the CJ dropshipping you have like AliExpress, eBay. So you can connect directly to your store from this website, so you can find it out. And when we talk about the Zendrop, just let's sign up for free. It is free platform. You can customize your search as well into this. So Zendrop is one of the good drop shipping platform. In my opinion, just simply continue and start with Zendrop. So this is my second account. So it will give you to like it will offer you to buy a premium. Just decline one time offer. Now from here you can go to your find product. From here you can go to all categories. Let's say I want a product like, let's say, religious ceremonies. So go to price range and give the price range between to your price to your maximum price. Then you can select the ship from like China or USA. China creates one of the cheapest product in the world, so you I will choose China. So let's compare. If you go to USA, the cost is around large. So as you can see, the religious, okay, I have to select back religious ceremony, and again uh, the done button after selecting. So no product found. Let's go into China. Let's we can find it. As you can see, uh, it's not like religious, but it's fine. So if you go into supplier, you can select the supplier as well. They have a lot of option into suppliers. So yeah, so now once you select your product, so how you can add that product into your Shopify? There are two ways to add products to your Shopify store. You can add manually import and using drop shipping apps, or you can use a different method add as well. So for example, right now I'm in the Shopify store. So where like CJ drop shipping has an app in for Shopify store. You can go into Shopify store. Let's say going to Shopify. In the left side of your Shopify dashboard, there is an option to add your apps. So just simply click on this Shopify App Store. From here, you can find dropshipping related apps. Like so, just search for dropshipping. You will get this Sensi Collective Dropshipping, and then we have DSers, which is AliExpress dropshipping. So let's say I found the product on AliExpress. Just simply come into your Shopify and then go into apps, search for the sales AliExpress drop shipping, and then install this application. So wait for a few seconds. It will give a second to install. Okay, install this application into our Shopify store. So it will ask you to sign in with your account. So create an account into AliExpress. and then connect with this account. So sometimes it asks to take paid plans, but right now for the trial you can use the free plan. So just click on this login and just simply create an account into your AliExpress. Now go to access now. Okay, I have to enter my email address and then password, then click on this sign in button. So as you can see here, I have added this Sciency dropshipping. So from here, you have to help them to find the best product. So just give, like, let's say I'm finding the product of sports and entertainment. Just click on the next and then choose your target market. I will be choosing the USA or United States, let's say Switzerland, because yeah, it's random. Now over here, your first 25 best seller are ready to import. These are some best sellers for us. If you want to add import list, you can add. Now I will just push all to our store. So we have great offer. Let's just remove this. It will ask you to go with the free trial. I will suggest you to go with the free trial because my drop shipping uh, like AliExpress is not able to connect just because I have no um, ongoing subscription plan. So just click on this continue as a free for this Syncy dropshipping. Now over here, it will take few seconds. Now as you can see, the product import started. So this is how you can add your product. You can, let's say if you want to add from Zendrop, then you can go again into your Shopify and go into apps, search for a Zen drop, or you can add your, or you can connect your Zen drop to Shopify from here as well. Like connect a store already I have, then click on the continue. It will give all the methods, and yeah, so basically Zendrop has the trending product section as well. It will ask you to go with the start free trial. I will suggest you to buy a like buy a plan. This is like or you can go with the free trial. So as you can see here, a free trial has access to 1 million product, but if you go with the monthly plan, you have like 100 on credit orders. So there are a lot of benefit of it. So yeah, this is how you can add products into your Shopify. So business insight, if you go, the revenue zero, profit zero, product sold. So are you new to drop shipping? You can read their article. They have article as well. So these are some product which I have picked. So yeah, this is how you can add a product into your Shopify. So make sure you use high quality product images and clear benefit driven description. Set up a product tags and collection for easy navigation, and test product in small batches before scaling. So yeah, that's it. Now you know how to find a trending dropshipping product and add them to your Shopify store. They either manually or using app. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure a like, subscribe, and drop your question in comment below. Thanks for watching.